Hey everyone, it's Morgan Yates, and welcome back to my European summer series. I recently brought you guys along on my trips to Paris, Epernay, Bruges, Amsterdam, Santorini, and Paros, and now Positano, which if you missed it, part 1 went up over on my main channel a few days ago, and today we are back exploring a little more and heading to Capri. If you want to catch up on the vlogs in this series, my playlist link will be below, and let's get into part 2. Morning! From another day in Positano. It's like almost 11 a.m. We've been doing the least here in terms of like literally just laying out all day, but I feel like somehow we've been so rushed. They're just like, I don't know, it hasn't been time for like, I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but we just slept in and then we're going straight down to the beach where we have to catch a boat to get to our beach club for the day, which is called what? One Fire. It's like orange and pretty. They have like a sunset watermelon cutting ceremony. Little niche here for it. But yeah, so we're gonna spend our whole day there. Basically every day here has just been like laying out all day. And then the boat last night was amazing. Would for sure recommend that. So heading off, gonna catch another boat. We caught a gender reveal. It's a girl. I love it. So this place, there's not like a beach. You like climb in to swim. Not, you know, on these immediate rocks, but out there. It's like a 5-minute boat ride. I love it here already. Everyone in Italy is just so nice, right?
Yeah.
Every single person,
the nicest.
literally, at least here. I feel like I don't recall, I mean, generally everywhere I travel, the majority of people are nice.
This is another level. I care about you on a
People are
personal
so
level.
sweet. Yeah.
Like on a personal, like what do you do?
On a
Where
personal
do you
level,
live?
just
What do you
also.
listen?
Today's water views. So pretty. Oh, we're getting into the waves. Good work.
Got it?
Yeah.
Good cannonball.
Good cannonball. Bright and early, no one here. Morning for our last full day. Jump yet. Ooh, it feels warm. Yeah, that's just been stopped. This is our boat. Where we have about 3 hours. I don't know what we're gonna do. We have no plan. Been
went through a saga. We expected, like most of the chairs, or all the chairs here are already reserved on the beach, which is fine because we're only here a few hours anyway, so it would have been expensive for only like a couple hours of use. But we found this little snack bar. It has a nice view to get some food, and then down here, so it's like the chairs are kind of, they're not like on the beach, so they're on a little dock. And then there's the beach, so afterwards we'll probably just go put our stuff in the sand and swim. It's warm. Lunch is served. We got some good old-fashioned sandwiches, or panini. I got a little toast thing. It's caprese, so which is obviously like tomato, mozzarella, basil. Is that because it's from Capri? Because I feel like everything on the menu was like caprese, caprese, caprese. Anyways, or Capri. They called it Capri, not caprese on the menu here. That's what I meant. Maybe so. Gorgeous views. Cooling down. It's also my first Campari Spritz, which is just like a little bit more bitter than Aperol. My hair is doing its own thing today. Rolling with it. Honestly, what a time to have some water shoes because there's lots of jumping options.
Morning from our last morning in Positano. This angle's a little bit weird because I just can't figure this out right now. It's gonna have a cute like patio clip like getting ready, but it's quite loud out there. So I just wanted to do like a casual little chat wrapping this up because I feel like I don't know, every day here felt weirdly so long, and like we were doing so much of everywhere we've been. I feel like we've not had a city we've gone to where it was like every single morning was like pretty early morning, or at least like early in the sense of like we get up, get ready really fast, and immediately leave to like where we're going, since like most of the beaches we did not have chair reservations for, so we've been like booking it out. So there's really been like no time in the hotel. We're just like spending the whole day out. And then like the sun kind of wipes us out, and then we come home but we're kind of just like drained. Literally 3 of the nights here we've just ordered either room service or gone to the hotel restaurant. Maybe 4 nights, 3 nights, and posted my Amsterdam vlog. So these are going up like weeks behind, so if you're watching, I appreciate it. Trying to hustle and get these up as quickly as possible, even though I still have just like coming in last place is like TikTok. I've been filming a bunch of vertical footage, wanting to make like TikToks and reels. Anyways, that has not happened because there's only time for so much. We're doing the best we can. A little recap I did want to give on the boat to Capri yesterday. We almost feel like we got scammed or something, or maybe they're all like this. Maybe this was not a good one, which is what I'm leaning towards. Like the boat company we used, which is called Cassiopeia Positano, and down by the port there's just like a ton of different boat companies that all have like little pop-ups and whatever. You just like walk up and you can get information and book or whatever. So theirs was like the big orange one. I feel like it was just the bare minimum experience. Like a lot of you guys have messaged me being like, do a boat thing like to Capri, that was my favorite day, like whatever. I feel like I hear Capri hyped up so much. Let me back up. The boat, I feel like it was almost just a glorified ferry ride, except not. You got a little bit more in there, but like we sailed all the way there, which is like an hour-ish. We swam once at the very beginning, past the Blue Grotto, which is like a very popular thing here, which I didn't want to go to because like I always have heard that the waits take like forever to like even be able to go in it for like a 1-minute experience. So I didn't want to do it, and I was low-key hoping no one else on the boat wanted to do it so that we didn't have to wait on them. But we got there, and our like boat driver or whatever never told us his name, never was like friendly, never really said like hello when we got on. Like it was just weird. Like didn't give us any fun facts about anywhere we were passing. Is Giselle here? No. Okay. Oh, coming. Yes, she is. Telling him about our Capri boat and how. What did you think about it?
That was alright. I feel like Capri doesn't have a whole lot to.
Yeah. Oh, well, what I was gonna say. Yeah, so we like went by the Blue Grotto, and our guy, I felt bad. Imagine going to the Blue Grotto is something you like went on this boat tour to do because they sell it to you as like you're going to this. The way he presented it to everyone was like I would have never spoken up even if I really wanted to like stop. He was basically like acting like it was gonna be the most inconvenient thing in the world. Probably accurate, but I just feel like people are paying to like be on this. Like let them get what they want out of it. Anyway, so then we like kept sailing, stopped at like the main port, and basically just had like hours of free time. Basically we were just paying to like get dropped off there. I feel like it just wasn't what I was expected. I would maybe do a little bit more research. Again, the message here is plan in advance and not do like what we did. But even with like how our lack of like reservations and stuff, I had a wonderful time. Like everything we worked out, I feel like I loved every single day. My favorite, honestly, my favorite two were just like the first 2 days of like the main beach here and then like the beach around the corner. And those were like the cheapest things you could do that are like, I don't know, I feel like not as hyped up. I feel like those are my favorites. So I've had a wonderful time. I do have some other stuff I wanted to talk about right now, but this clip's already like 6.5 minutes long. So I feel like maybe I'll just save that for Florence. Just like some personal chat updates of just some more personal things that have been going on, especially in the city, but kind of throughout the whole trip that I've been holding off on. So stay tuned to the next vlog for potentially that. We are heading out here in like half an hour to go to Florence. So we are doing another, you can take a bus from Positano to Naples. Again, we just wanted like the ease of like going from point A to point B, knowing how long it's going to take, whatever. So we just booked a private car again. We are heading out from here to go back to the Naples train station where we have a 3-hour direct train to Florence. So that is going to be our next stop. And that is it for my Positano vlogs. From here, we are off to Florence. So that vlog will be coming on my main channel here in a few days, and I will see you guys then.